Every day is so different, to be fair, so it really varies.
I like being able to go around and see different sites. You get to see different people working in different industries.
My favourite thing about the job is actually I enjoy going to sites, so I'm not just stuck behind a computer all day. Anything new, you're learning something new as well.
You get to work with a whole new team of people, you get to go to a different location, just a lot of variety and a lot of choice.
So you don't need to go to university for 3 years. You can work on the job, and if you wanted to earn a degree as well, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a part-time degree apprenticeship.
But typically in the job industry, it's about productivity. If you have in your head that you can do a job and you can get that job done, that's all they're looking for.
Aim for what inspires you, what motivates you, and if you find it in this industry, then go for it, because it is rewarding. You can really build yourself a very good career